To show your timer as a mini pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open clock app, tap timer, next tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Under timer section, tap the gray on offset next to show mini timer until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key, set a timer, and then tap start. Tap the home button. As you can see, now your timer is displayed as a mini pop-up. If needed, you can drag and drop the mini timer to change its position. You can also tap the mini timer and then use some options available, such as delete the timer, pause or resume the timer, show the timer in full screen, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.